guys, what's up? It's Julia. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to a Jason Aldean concert. I'm so excited. I'm going with my sister, my dad, and then our family friend Luke, who's like my age. I am actually running really late. I need to get ready so fast, but I thought I would get ready for you guys and do like a chit chat, kind of speed it up, but get ready with me. I really need to start getting ready right now. I just got out of the shower. Yeah, I'm pretty sure everyone's like getting here now. We're tailgating, kind of like tailgating here. The concert venue is only like 15-20 minutes away from us. It's so nice. We're just like tailgating here because it's just like easier to do here. That way no one has to drive, and then like my mom is driving us all over there. So we're gonna like cook burgers, and I'm pretty sure the burgers are on the grill right now. Okay, so we're just gonna start getting ready because I think everyone is ready but me. I've kind of have been MIA on YouTube for like a week now, I guess a week and a half, because I was just in Wilmington visiting Tim for like 9 days, and I was gonna film there, and then I filmed and edited a video and I uploaded it, and then I just like really like didn't like it. I need to brush my hair. Also, like my hair is dripping wet. Also, I have no idea what I'm gonna wear. This is just really going great. Y'all are now gonna see purple right now. So sorry about it. I only painted one side of my wall white, so, but I need to use my mirror, so that's what we're gonna do. So my favorite foundation of all time right now, I definitely need to get a darker shade because I was just at the beach. I probably still look white, but like this is the whitest shade ever. But it's the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse Foundation. I've tried so many like foundations just in the past couple months, just trying them out, and I always come back to this one because I just love it so much. This is just really great. I'm an actual ghost. Next, I'm going in with my Maybelline concealer. Love it. Obsessed with it. Still can't find anything as good as it. Sorry, I'm like going through this super quick. People are here. She's just really going great. And I'm even more pale. I have no idea where any of my makeup is, so I'm just gonna use this random little, I think it's Estee Lauder brush, and my Laura Mercier powder. We're just gonna move away and try to make this face not pale. So then I'm using my Kat Von D contour palette that I love. You can tell like I was obsessed with those, but it's seriously amazing. I'm gonna contour with that. And I'm going in with my Urban Decay Naked Flushed palette. You can tell I got a lot of use out of that, but I'm using the highlight in there to highlight my cheekbones and my nose. Give myself that nice shimmery look. And then I'm using the blush in there and blending that in with my contour. I think I'm gonna use the Naked 3 palette and give myself a little pink. You know, summertime pink, you know. All right, I'm gonna use Dust all over my lid. Then I'm using Buzz, this darker pink, on my outer corner. And whenever I go on my outer corner to kind of like open up my eyes, I go higher than where the actual, or sorry, whenever I go on my crease, I always go like a little bit above the crease just to make my eyes look a little bigger, and then I bring it up. And we're gonna take the strange white color and put it in the inner corners of my eye to brighten up my face. I got this mascara in my Birchbox and I'm in love with it. It's Marcel Ultimate Volume. And the brush is so tiny that you can really get like in all of the inner corners of your eye and everything. It's so good. And I don't know where my eyelash curler is, so we're just gonna go right in. And I'm gonna try and curl it with my hands. For brows, I use my Naked Basics palette, and I use this light Naked 2 color. And I don't like fill in my brows a lot. I kind of just fill in like any and bald spots, I guess. I like don't really have a problem with my eyebrows. I don't really think that they like need to be filled in a lot, so I just like give them a little oomph. So I got this in my Birchbox Lipstick Queen lip liner, and I really want to try it, so we're gonna try it. I'm gonna put this Luscious Lip Stain over top of it. Okay, so I'm like half ready right now, but the food's ready, so I'm gonna go eat and then come back and get ready more and do my hair. But I think this is what I'm gonna wear. It's this romper from, I believe it's from Urban Outfitters, and actually, believe it or not, it had like extra fabric coming off of these straps, kind of like flowing out. I really hated it, so I cut them off like a while ago. But yeah, it's from Urban, super cute. And then I'll probably just wear some brown cowgirl boots with it. Yeah, okay, we're gonna go eat now. Let's go. Guys, I know this is just real life college. Hello, look at you. Okay, so I just ate and I'm really not feeling doing my hair. So I'm gonna try out, you should never try out things when like you actually have to go somewhere, whatever. But I just like, I think my hair's still kind of wet, but I think I'm just gonna leave it natural. And then I got this in my Birchbox. It's hair pumping mousse, plumping, whatever that means. I don't really know if you're even supposed to put this on my hair. Mousse it in, blow it big. Yeah, it's definitely supposed to be wet hair. I don't know, we're gonna try it out. Yeah, so we're just gonna like mousse it up, you know, and just see like what it does. Yeah, I actually really like this stuff. I think it's definitely supposed to go in damp hair. All right, but I like it, I dig it, it smells amazing, and my hair is now zhooshed. All right, so here is the final fit. We got this Urban Outfitters whatever romper thing, and then I am wearing my I don't even know where they're from. They're just these basic whatchamacallit, cowgirl boots. Yeah, okay. And then my hair is all, you know, whatever it is, I don't really know what it is. And then I decided to keep the lipstick just because like it stays on, it's cute. But yeah, that is the outfit. And also my necklace is just this light pink Kendra Scott. Say hi.
Hi. Whoa!
Oh no. Oh no. Oh yeah.
What's going on? We're live here at the Jason Aldean concert. We're about to have a good time. Second row. It's lit. Come through. Call your girl.
Call your girl.